Alright, today we're going to factor trinomials using the GCF and then using the tic-tac-toe method. So the first thing we want to do is look at the trinomial and see if all three parts have a GCF. And if we look at 18 and 3 and 45, they're all divisible by 3. So we're going to factor a 3 out first. So we'll do 3 parentheses, and we'll divide every term by 3. So you get 6x squared minus x minus 15. And now we're just going to ignore the 3 and factor this piece in the middle like we would do any other trinomial. So we'll use our t-chart first. We're going to multiply 6 and negative 15. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply together to get 6 times 15 is negative 90. Oops, it's really bad. And that add together to get negative 1. So we can guess some different factors. I know, negative, the bigger number would have to be negative, so 5 times negative 18 would multiply to get negative 90, but those don't add up to be negative 1, so I'm not going to do that. And let's see, what's some other factors? I can do negative 10 and 9. Negative 10 times 9 is negative 90, and those add up to negative 1, so I know that's my factors. Now make sure you copy this all down in box 1. I forgot to mention that at the beginning, but you should be writing all of this down. So now we'll continue this. We're going to make a Cardoso square right here. I'm going to put 6x squared in the middle, and I'm going to put negative 15 in the bottom right hand corner. And I'm going to put the two factors that work, negative 10 and 9, in these two corners with an x. So we'll get negative 10x and 9x. Now we'll find the GCF going across each side of the tic-tac-toe board here. So from 9x and 6x squared, we're going to get 3x. From negative 15 and negative 10x, we're going to get 5. Now, because this is negative, that's going to make this number negative. And from 10x and 6x squared, we're going to get 3x. And from negative 15 and 9, we're going to get 3. Now I made a mistake here. It shouldn't be a 3 right here. We're going to get a 2 there. So we'll fix that and make that a 2. So my factors are 3x minus 5 times 2x plus 3. Now, the one thing you have to remember is, to make this work, you have to take your negative 3 from here, the positive 3 from here, and put it down in front. So this would be our original trinomial factored completely. If you don't have that 3 out in front, it's not factored completely. So you got to make sure you do all of this. Make sure you copy this down in box 1. When you finish, we'll go to box 2 and look at another example.